Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our nutrition chart template. As a registered dietitian or registered dietitian nutritionist, part of understanding your client's needs will be getting an idea of their current nutrition intake and dietary habits. There are several tools to do this, including 24-hour recall, a food diary, or providing a questionnaire on how frequently your client consumes foods from each food group. While these methods can be good for getting a general overview of your client's eating habits, in order to set personalized nutrition goals for your client, you'll want to make an estimate of their current daily macronutrient intake, including fats, protein, carbohydrates, or any other nutrients that may be relevant to their nutrition goals. And that's where our nutrition chart comes in. This handy chart can be used to track a day's worth of eating, and once completed, it can help you monitor how your client's daily intake is meeting their nutrition goals. For a client working towards a specific macronutrient goal, such as protein intake, they should feel free to leave any columns that are not relevant to them blank. Alternatively, you can have your client fill in the food column only, and then you can come back and estimate the macronutrients for each food item yourself. Once your client has completed the chart, they should return it to you to review and go through with them. This is the time for learning about your client and figuring out strategies to aid them in meeting their nutrition goals. You can download this template using the link on this page, and once you've got a copy, you can provide the chart to your client along with the nutrition goals that you have developed. Here's a sample template for a client with a goal of eating a minimum of 50 grams of protein a day and a minimum of 1,600 calories a day. Just pause the screen to take a look in more detail. To use this form in Carepatron, simply click Templates from the menu on the left-hand side. Ensure you're filtering by Community Templates to see our full library of resources. Then filter by keyword. Hover over the result you'd like to use and click Choose Template. Then select your client from your client list, and the template will be loaded into your draft tab.